Oh, that's cold. Get a big one.
The big one?
Hi.
Dude, I'm wet. You're so quiet.
We like music.
Ah! I hope this one pops on you this time.
You think I have black on under my white? Play music or something.
I could get music. I'm so scared of it now.
The other ones I'm not catching or popping. I haven't had one pop on me.
I wonder if it can still see us.
I don't know. Wide view! Stop poking my butt! Ooh! Ooh! Don't go there.
Yes.
I don't think we're gonna make it past there. Ha! You lose.
You didn't catch a boat. You didn't catch one.
I tried. None of them are popping on me.
Bang. Why don't they pop on you? They pop on me. Ooh, big one. Pop it.
Here.
No, I don't want
You
it.
want me to throw it up and catch it? Maybe it'll...
Yeah. Oh, what a play! That was a big balloon too.
No.
I just want this one. I already took a shower.
Dang
today.
it! So did I.
I need to turn this way. The sun's right there.
Now my hair's gonna be all effort up.
That's okay. What do you say? Whoop. Ah! Ah! I'm not throwing mine as high as you are. Oh God!
Woo! Blue!
You're wet.
I know.
It's cold at first, but then it doesn't
I'd
feel
rather have my clothes wet than my hair. Ready?
Oh, we're big. Go! They're gonna collide one of these times. Oh. That's a big balloon. I'm sure this thing's done recording by now. Nope. 19 seconds. 18, 17, 16. How many?
10, 9, 8, 7,
Oops, 6.
5,